Plaquemines Parish Homeland Security confirms 3 people were transported to the hospital after getting hit by lightning earlier today.
You out in the middle of the bays, rivers and stuff, and you have no protection around you, so lightning's going to hit the closest object it can find, and unfortunately, it found the vessel that these individuals were on.
Director Patrick Harvey tells us that this happened around 12:30 this afternoon on a fishing boat during a tornado warning. It happened around the Cypress Cove Marina. EMS transported the 3 people to University Medical Center for minor to moderate injuries. We do not know the identities of the boaters at this time.